Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to identify songs playing nearby using your smartphone. Alright, so take an example. There's a song which is playing right now. Let me give you a chance to listen to it. Okay, so that song is Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. So I'm going to use this app called Shazam over here to identify that song. So take note, when Shazam is opened, my microphone will go off and you won't be hearing anything apart from it trying to identify that song. So let's do it. For those who don't have Shazam, go ahead to your Google Play Store for those who are using Android, and for those who are using the iOS or iPhone, you can go to the App Store, okay, and then download Shazam. So Shazam is over here, its icon is blue over here, and it has letter S, okay. So you download it and then open it and then search for any song you want. Thanks for watching guys. We shall meet